Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do our part 5th of topic articles. You all know that I am making videos on articles, so today it is our 5th part. So let's move on to this part. So here we will be going to do the repetition of the articles. What do you mean by repetition now? Repetition is simply, if you can see this name repetition, what is the first thing that is coming to your mind? That is, it's something like something like repeating. So yes, you are correct, it is repeating, means a thing that will be going to repeat. So repeating, but here the topic is repetition of the article, means anything, we will be not repeating anything, we will be repeating only the articles. So how and when we will be have to repeat that article, so I'm going to tell you that. So I guess repeating is correct, understandable. So let's move on to the example so you can understand more easily. So example is, I have a black and white dog. I have a black and white dog. So I have a black and white dog. So here in this particular sentence, what is this saying? So here in this particular sentence that I have written, that is, I have a black and white dog. So first understand the meaning of this sentence. This is the in this sentence, it is a very simple meaning is there in this. So the meaning is, I have a black and white dog, means मेरे पास एक black and white dog है. Separately, I have a black and white dog. I have a black and white dog means I have a dog which is of color black and white, means partly black and partly white. I have a partly black and partly white dog. So here you have seen that article is used in one, means one article is used here, means this is there in this particular sentence, there is no repetition of the article. So I have a black and a white dog, means one single noun is there, this is the noun, okay, one single noun is there and two adjectives are there, two adjectives are there. अगर एक सिंगल नाउन हो और दो एडजेक्टिव हो उसके साथ अटैच, देन वी हैव टू यूज आर्टिकल बिफोर फर्स्ट एडजेक्टिव, आर्टिकल बिफोर फर्स्ट adjective. Okay, so in this particular example I just want to tell you that I have a black and white dog, means मेरे पास ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट कलर का डॉग है. आई हैव अ ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट. यहाँ पे एक ही सिंगल नाउन की बात हो रही है, एक ही डॉग की बात हो रही है, बट उसके कलर टू शेड्स हैं उस पर्टिकुलर डॉग के. दैट इज, वन इज ब्लैक एंड सेकंड इज व्हाइट, मीन्स ही इज पार्टली ब्लैक एंड पार्टली व्हाइट. जब एक ही नाउन से दो एडजेक्टिव अटैच हों, देन पहले एडजेक्टिव के आगे अ आएगा. नाउ व्हाट इज एडजेक्टिव? So I have made a separate video on adjectives, so you can check out that. So let's move on to the second example. Now I will be telling you the difference. So in this I have a black and white dog, but now I will be writing I have a black and a white dog. Here what's the difference? First notice the difference. The difference is, I have a black and a white dog means one a is added, means a has been repeated, repetition of article takes place here. But why so it is taking place here only and not in there? First notice the difference. Here एक ही डॉग था जिसके दो एडजेक्टिव्स अटैच थे, मीन्स वो ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट कलर का था. बट यहाँ पे आई हैव अ ब्लैक एंड अ व्हाइट डॉग, मेरे पास एक ब्लैक कलर का डॉग है और एक व्हाइट कलर का डॉग है. वन ब्लैक एंड वन व्हाइट मीन्स टू nouns are means one noun is there. No, there is two nouns. Okay, two different nouns are there, that is one dog is of black color and second is of white color. जब दो noun हो means two nouns, अगर दो nouns हो, okay, the qualify different nouns, this is different nouns, black and white are different nouns, the article is normally used before each adjective. यहाँ पे भी first of all what is adjective here, black and white are adjective, these are adjectives here. So अगर दो different noun जो हैं वो दो adjectives की बात कर रहे हैं, दो different nouns means two nouns that are different, two different nouns की जब बात हो तब each adjective के आगे जो है वो article use होगा. Okay, article will be used before each, article will be used before each. So I hope you understand this also. Here यहाँ पे बस एक ही डॉग था जिसके जो हैं I have एक डॉग था जिसके दो adjectives हैं, बट जब एक ही noun से attach होते हैं दो adjectives, then we will be going to write one article before the first adjective, for article before first adjective. But here अगर दो different noun हो तो article जो है वो दोनों के before आएंगे, दोनों adjective से पहले आएंगे. So article will be used before each adjective. This is adjective, these both are these adjectives. So we will be going to write a before black and a before white. Okay, so I hope you understand this concept of repetition of articles in this particular sentences. Similarly, in every sentences this one takes place. So let's move on to the second part of this. So let me erase this first. Here also I will be telling you two sentences and then we will be going to differentiate that. Okay, the sentences are very similar. Let's write first sentence, that is the secretary and treasurer is absent. Okay, so this is the first sentence. So second is the secretary and the treasurer are absent. So first, what do you notice in both the sentences? Here two persons are talking about, two nouns are there, one is secretary and second is treasurer. Okay, and here also two nouns are there, secretary and treasurer. But in the first sentence, what does this saying? The secretary and treasurer is absent. जो secretary और treasurer है वो absent है. Okay, this is the post. Secretary and treasurer is a post. Okay, so जो secretary and treasurer है वो absent है. Means here only one person is there which has the both post. Okay, secretary and treasurer. Post of secretary and treasurer are held by one person. बस one person है. अब हमें कैसे पता चला कि एक ही person है? Because of this is. Okay, and here what is this? There are means two different persons. Why we have made two difference? Because we have added repetition of article, means the is used. Particularly mentioned है, किसी की position या किसी के name से पहले the use होता है. I have told you the uses of definite and indefinite articles. So the is used means दो different जगह पे the use हुआ है, दो जगह पर the use हुआ, repetition हुआ है. But here only one place. The secretary and treasurer is absent. And here the secretary and the treasurer are absent means इन दोनों की पोस्ट जो है वो डिफरेंट पर्सन ने ले रखी है, एक सेक्रेटरी और एक ट्रेजरर है. बट हेयर दीज बोथ पोस्ट आर हेल्ड बाय वन पर्सन ओनली. So I hope you understand the difference in first sentence Now the repetition of the article in the second sentence indicates that the two posts are held by two different persons. Means these two posts are held by two different persons. यहाँ पे एक ही पर्सन की दोनों पोजीशन है, बट यहाँ पे अलग अलग पर्सन की दो पोजीशंस है. दैट्स वाई वी हैव यूज्ड आर, बिकॉज यू ऑल नो कि इज हम सिंगुलर के साथ यूज करते हैं एंड आर इज यूज्ड फॉर प्लूरल. सो in this sentence these are the two differences in this sentence. Hence we see that when two or more connected nouns refer to the same person, जब दो नाउन जो है जो एक ही पर्सन को held by one person are connected, now the two or more connected nouns refer to the same person, means one person only, or thing, person or thing, anything. The article is ordinarily. Okay, article is ordinarily, but okay, in this particular sentence, but the article is ordinarily used before the first only. first position के साथ ही हमने the use किया है, so the first only. But when two or more connected nouns are refer to different persons or things, the article is used before each. This is similar to this first example that we have done. वहाँ पे हमने ब्लैक डॉग और वाइट डॉग के बारे में बताया, और मैंने यही बताया था कि अगर एक ही नाउन हो और वो दो एडजेक्टिव्स के साथ अटैच हो तो हम जो है वो बस पहले एडजेक्टिव से पहले आर्टिकल लगाएंगे, और सेकंड एडजेक्टिव में अगर दो डिफरेंट नाउन्स हैं, टू डिफरेंट नाउन्स, हमने पिछले वाले में क्या कहते हैं, एक ब्लैक डॉग है, दैट इज वन नाउन, एंड द सेकंड नाउन इज द वाइट डॉग. सो जब दो नाउन्स होंगे अटैच एडजेक्टिव के साथ तो हम ईच एडजेक्टिव से पहले आर्टिकल यूज करेंगे. एंड हेयर ऑल्सो वी हैव डन द सेम थिंग. यहाँ पे टू नाउन्स हैं बट इज एब्सेंट, मीन्स एक ही पर्सन की बात हुई है, दैट्स वाई वी हैव यूज ओनली द बिफोर द फर्स्ट एडजेक्टिव. एक ही नाउन है इसमें, सेक्रेटरी और ट्रेजरर एक ही है, बट यहाँ पे टू डिफरेंट हैं, तो इसलिए हमने सेक्रेटरी और ट्रेजरर से पहले जो है वो आर्टिकल यूज किया. ओके, so similarly you can examine many examples. So we may either say, let me erase this, ordinarily बोलते हैं हम इनको, ये ordinary होते हैं बहुत. So now it's saying that we may either say, हम कभी कभार ये भी तो कह देते हैं, हम बोलते नहीं है we may either say the third and the fourth chapter, हम ही बोलते हैं ना कि थर्ड और फोर्थ चैप्टर, मीन्स two different nouns are there, you can see the third and the fourth paper, means one is third and second is, two different persons are there, two different objects are there, two different things are there. That's why we have used the before first adjective and the before second adjective. Okay, nouns है third fourth paper नहीं, sorry, third and fourth chapter. So here it is just saying that यहाँ पे भी दो चीज़ों की बात की गई है, टू डिफरेंट नाउन्स आर देयर, इसलिए हमने जो है पहले एडजेक्टिव के साथ पहले एक रेपिटेशन आर्टिकल लगा दिया और एक सेकंड एडजेक्टिव के साथ. सिमिलरली वी राइट दिस ऑल्सो, द थर्ड एंड फोर्थ चैप्टर्स. Okay, chapters, here chapter is there but here chapters means दो different objects की बात की गई है. Okay, means sorry, एक ही ऑब्जेक्ट की बात की गई है. द थर्ड एंड द फोर्थ चैप्टर, द थर्ड एंड फोर्थ चैप्टर्स. I have told you how we have differentiated this because I have taken two examples of this same thing. One is of dog one and second of secretary and treasurer. Now let's get into the last point, that is in expressing a comparison. If we have to express a comparison, what is comparison? Comparison means किसी चीज को compare करना, किसी चीज को तोलना. I guess this is the Hindi, maybe I will be wrong. So in expressing a comparison means comparison को express करने के लिए, expressing comparison, I am writing expressing here. Expressing comparison if two nouns refer to the same person or thing. जब दो नाउन जो है वो एक ही पर्सन या थिंग के बारे में होते हैं, द आर्टिकल इज यूज बिफोर द फर्स्ट नाउन. तो जो फर्स्ट नाउन से पहले आर्टिकल यूज होता है. लाइक लेट्स टेक एग्जांपल, दैट इज ही इज बेटर थिंकर, ही इज बेटर थिंकर then debater, then debater. This is the first example. Let's write second example also. He is a better poet, he is better, let me write this, he is better poet than novelist, So these are two sentences, and now we will be going to compare these sentences, not comparison because these are two different sentences. So here यहाँ पे बस यही बताया गया है कि जब हमें किसी चीज़ का कंपैरिजन बताना हो, यू ऑल नो कंपैरिजन जो देन से पता चल जाता है. दिस इज द वर्ड दैट इज यूज्ड फॉर कंपैरिजन. ओके, देन जो है वो कंपैरिजन के लिए यूज हुआ है. सो when we have to express a comparison if two nouns refer to the same person, जो दो नाउन है वो एक ही सिंपल चीज को रेफर टू द सेम पर्सन और थिंग, जब एक ही पर्सन को या थिंग को बताएंगे, कंपेयर करेंगे, तब जो है वो आर्टिकल जो है वो फर्स्ट नाउन से पहले ही यूज होगा. ओके, फर्स्ट नाउन से पहले ही यूज होगा. Here there is no repetition, there is no article here. Comparison मैंने बस अभी इसीलिए दो sentences लिखे चाहे आपको comparison पता चल जाए. He is better thinker than debater. ये जो है better, ये ज़्यादा अच्छी तरह से सोच सकता है debate करने से अच्छा. He is better poet than novelist. ये जो काफ़ी अच्छा poet है, novelist नहीं है. इतना अच्छा ये person novelist नहीं है. compare कर रहा है हमने then से. So यहाँ पे बोला है कि अगर दो नाउन हैं वो एक ही पर्सन या थिंग को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे होंगे तो जो है फर्स्ट नाउन से पहले आर्टिकल लगेगा. नाउ लेट्स टेक एग्जांपल, देन इज यूज्ड फॉर कंपैरिजन. ओके, सो इन एग्जांपल वी कैन टेक ही इज अ बेटर मैकेनिक देन अ क्लर्क. ओके, you can take this, you can write this also. He is a better mechanic than a clerk, mechanic than a clerk. Okay, this is the sentence. He is a better mechanic than a clerk. Here two different nouns are there. We have done repetition. A is here also, A is here also, and there is two different nouns. Okay, so in the previous sentences, let me write the previous sentence also. He is a better mechanic, he is a better mechanic than clerk, Now we will be doing comparison. Okay, this is also a sentence similar to the sentence that I have written. I have written two sentences that he is a better thinker than debater. So I have written this sentence also, and I have written this. I have written two sentences previously. So one is I have written, and second I have done comparison. So he is a better mechanic than clerk. अगर two nouns means these two nouns are there, mechanic and clerk जो है, if two nouns refer to the same person, this is the same person means he is a person, same person को या thing को refer कर रहे हैं, then we will be using article the first noun only, पहले noun के साथ ही. ओके मीन्स अ के साथ ही, मीन्स बेटर मैकेनिक से साथ ही तो हम ए लगाएंगे उससे बिफोर. सिमिलरली here this particularly saying this only, that in expressing comparison if two nouns refer to the same person or thing, अगर दो noun same person या thing को refer करते हैं, the article is used before the first noun only, तो बस पहले noun के साथ ही article use होगा. बट इफ दे रेफर टू डिफरेंट पर्सन, अगर वो डिफरेंट पर्सन से और थिंग से रेफर करेगी, द आर्टिकल मस्ट बी यूज विद ईच नाउन, तो वो हर नाउन के साथ यूज होगा, मीन्स मैकेनिक के साथ भी यूज होगा और क्लर्क के साथ भी यूज होगा. बट हेयर देयर इज टू डिफरेंट पर्सन्स और थिंग्स. हेयर इन फर्स्ट सेंटेंस टू डिफरेंट persons or things, but in this particular, in both of these, a is here also a is there, only one a is there is no repetition. Why is there is no repetition? Because same, if two nouns refer to the same person को refer कर रहे हैं, referring to same person, okay, referring to same person, then we will be using a here only. But if we have two different persons and they are referring to one single person, then two different nouns or thing and is referring to only one noun, okay, only one thing or person, that's known as that satisfying this particular point in comparison to this. So I hope you understand this all concept of repetition of the article. Here it is very simple. I have told you in very simpler way. So if you like this video, do like, share, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for all the new updates for my new videos. Thank you.